today we are talking about natural resources. You should have already read the post that I posted, the reading for today. It was pretty short. And then we're going to go ahead and take out our science notebooks. Please open to a clean page. You can pause me at any time and copy these notes, but it might be better if you listen first and then copy the notes. So today, again, we're talking about natural resources. What are natural resources? These are things found in nature. Just like I always say, these scientists, they're not trying to make these words hard. Natural, nature, they kind of go together. So these are resources in nature. And these are very important to humans. There are two types, which is why we have a T-chart here today. So we're going to put these in our notes. We're going to have one side for renewable resources and one side on non-renewable resources. Now we do know our prefixes pretty well. We know that re means to redo something. So if I ask you to redo an assignment, then you're going to have to do it again. So these are all resources that we can easily get again. Usually we like to think about in a lifetime. So you can get these in one lifetime. So we will not run out of these because they renew, they replenish, they continue to go. Notice how I keep using that prefix re for renewable. They are constantly replaced, again with the re. Some examples of this is solar energy, apples, water, wind, not just solar energy, but the sun. Every single day we get the sun, so it renews itself. We get it again every single day. Over here, when we're talking about non-renewable, we know that non means no, not. So we're not going to renew these. We use them up faster than they're replaced. Some examples of this are oil, coal, and natural gas. All of these together are called fossil fuels. These are all, again, fossil fuels. Think of the word fossil. These are things that are very, very old. Fossils also, we know, come from animals and plants. So these are things from animals and plants that have been broken down, and that's actually what your oil, your coal, and your natural gas are. They are from dead plants and animals. So obviously it would take a long time for plants and animals to die, to decay, and then to turn into these items, and so that makes them non-renewable. I always want you guys thinking in the future. I keep telling you that you're our future scientists and doctors and engineers and teachers and daycare workers, etc. So it's very important that you help our world go towards a better place. So start thinking, how can I only use these kind of items? Because these are renewable, so this is our clean energy. God gave us all of these items. God has given us the sun. God's given us trees to plant and seeds that continue to grow. He's purposefully doing these things and wants us to use these things. So when we go and we dig up our earth and tear up our earth, that's not in the best idea because we're burning these and we're going to run out. So we need to be smart. So moving forward, I want you thinking, how can I maybe use the sun better or more often? Maybe instead of turning on your lights and different things, you can just open up a window. So think about these throughout your day. Thanks, guys.